Now we'll cover removal of the fuser unit. First, I'm going to take out 5 screws for the power source board. Then I'm going to release this plastic cover, and I'll have to remove the wires from all of the tabs. Now I have to remove the connector for these wires and these. I had to release the power source board because there is a clip or tab for this connector that I have to release. And I'm going to go ahead and pull them through this little rubber shield here. Next, on the right side, all I have to do is disconnect this one connector on the bottom of the controller board. On the rear, I have to remove this cover. It just unclips. You might need a screwdriver to make it a little easier. Now I take out these 2 screws. And you can remove it, just be careful of the connectors. When you're putting the fuser back in, make sure that you tighten the screw on this side first, then this side.